Good morning, Mark.
Morning.
What do we got? We got a lot, dude, this week. Looking at the Sketty, we're expecting Eastman to come in. We got our account manager checking in before we go down to the Lumar Select Pro conference in Orlando. I feel like I'm down there a lot lately for conferences. But we got Tiano. His Instagram is Lace Film with me, coming in here to do some training, some content creation. Be a good hands-on for some of the guys. Waiting an update there. I think there was some travel issues, so we'll see what happens, but we got a busy week. I think right now we've got 7 ceramic coatings on the books this week, 2 track pack PPF packages, 3 full fronts, 1 matte PPF, and 22 tint jobs. So got a busy week. Got some guys in and out for some doctor's offices and this and that. We got a lot going on. So today we've got a GR86 getting track pack. We've got an Escalade getting finished up on full front PPF and I think a 2-year coating. We've got the full body Z06 getting ready to get buttoned up and get the heck out of here, weather pending. I know the guy doesn't want to drive that until it's pretty nice out, so we'll see. Snow's melting. Snow is melting big time. Beyond that, a couple coatings in today. Getting started on a Maserati Levante full body matte conversion. That'll be sweet. It's right outside. Mark can show you that. Quite a lineup this week. Spring is sprung. Not literally, but it's coming. It's coming, so stay tuned.
Customers could have candy, we could have candy. She even had snacks in the back. Like our snack section is terrible right now. We got like old chocolate, like nobody even eats the chocolate. What are they called? Pop-Tarts? Yeah, the chocolate Pop-Tarts are terrible. Like I'm not a big fan of s'mores Pop-Tarts. I'm brown, sugar, cinnamon. That's it. That's where I like strawberry. Everybody likes strawberry.
I'm a big fan of the blueberry ones.
Blueberry Pop-Tarts, see, now that's something that a lot of people don't deal with. Yeah, people sleep on those. This thing's crazy. I think what we got here now is like, what is this, an 18 passenger party van? He's going 15 on the back, I believe. We're doing 15 ceramic on this to keep some of the heat out off the passengers. And then I think we're going to do legal on the front too. Yep, 35 on the front too, 15 on the rears. That's what we're doing here.
Tom's behind me working on the Toyota GR86. This is getting our track pack. So it's basically our full front PPF package, but we add the rocker panel, behind the rear wheels, the A-pillars, and then the leading edge of the roof.
It's a fairly new Passport, not brand new. Customers bringing in from out of state. It has out of state tags on it, but we confirmed with him that he's already has it inspected through the dealership. So we're gonna go ahead and sneak some tint on here for him. This is a long-time customer of ours, mine, however you guys want to put it. But he's come back for more. Get your windows tinted. You can't do it again without it. You feel ashamed when you're at the red light and somebody sees you picking your nose. So we're doing 50% Pinnacle on the windshield because it's a slight tint, nothing too crazy. But on the sides, we're gonna match the back and we're gonna do 20% on there. But tint's gonna have a lifetime warranty. Easy to see through, especially with this ceramic on the windshield. Keeps a lot of the heat out.
Action, all right, so today we have this 2025 Lexus RX 350 in this great shade of green. It is getting our 5-year coating. I've already done the wheels, just waiting for Riley to finish up on this match so I can foam this down. give it our hand wash, then decontaminate it with iron remover, clay bar. It'll get a quick one-step gloss enhancement polish, and then coat it, and then I believe delivery is tomorrow morning for the customer. And it's a great color, great car, and I can see this coming in again and again. I can cut that last bit.
Dude. Solutions today, another busy day. We got stuff leaving, new stuff getting dropped off. We got Riley doing a level 1 exterior detail on a TLX. We got Tom finishing up the track pack PPF package on the GR86. And we got Justin finishing up doing the last finishing touches on the Z06. Anthony's got a 4Runner. We tinted the front 2 windows, and then he's installing our 5-year ceramic coating. And then we got the Maserati. It's getting full body PPF, and then we're gonna coat the PPF just to add that extra layer of protection and ease of cleaning.
Dude, this is not easy trying to figure out what in the world I am supposed to be plotting here. I think this is it though. I don't even know. I think this is it. I don't know. We ain't finna know. I'll take some pictures. All right, so I'm working with Justin, who's gonna be doing this Maserati Levante. I may have said that wrong in the last video, but we're going through modifying everything because we're doing a matte conversion. So we wanna make sure that we get as much coverage as possible. Still want to minimize as much knife cutting as needed because we want to minimize risk that we put onto a car or into a car when we're doing a job. But we need to get as much coverage here as we possibly can. These plots are pretty damn money from core to begin with, but we just need to push it that little extra oomph to get rid of all the gloss. And again, being white, like we've talked about before, get rid of the risk of dirt lines in the future. So look behind the scenes, see what we do, and watch this beautiful Graphtec machine do its thing.
We have another CA Corvette in. This one's a Stingray. It's getting our full front PPF package. Plus we're gonna do ceramic coating on the back half of the car. And again, this is by far our most popular package, a combination of services. We do a ton of full fronts plus ceramic coatings because it offers such a good balance of protection and value.
Push up the clock, dude.
Get some, man, dude. Do as many as you possibly can right now. Come on. 2.
Come on, dude. All the way there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh. Woo. That was only 5.
All right, so a new offering that a lot of people have been asking for is, can we do paint protection film on your windshield? Well, we can't exactly do paint protection film, but we can do windshield protection film, or WPF, like this one here from Ultrafit. So this Land Rover Defender is getting the install. As you can see Tom here doing it, but this is a great option for those of you that want to protect your windshield, not get rock chips, and just minimize the risk of actual breakage, whether you're on-road or off-road. This specific customer here has mentioned he's going to be doing some off-roading and trailing. He wants to enjoy this vehicle for what it was built for with a significant other. So we've protected the front end, some of the side panels, and now we're doing the windshield as well. If you're interested in windshield protection film for your car, give us a call or check us out online at baltimoredetail.com. We're happy to help.
All right, so today we're working on a 25 Ford Raptor. This is getting 15% Pinnacle on the sides. We are matching it for the back. And then we are also putting a ceramic windshield tint on the front. And that's what we're doing. It's gonna look great.
Friday here at Detail Solutions. We had a busy week, a lot of stuff going out today. We got Patrick behind me. He's getting started on this Acura. We already got it washed. This is getting our 2-year ceramic coating. And then we got the Raptor back here. Chris and Riley doing Pinnacle ceramic tint on this. It's getting 15 on the sides and then 50 on the windshield. Maserati's all buttoned up. That's getting picked up today. And then Tom and Anthony are in the middle of the Escalade. This got our full front PPF package, plus a 7-year ceramic coating. We blacked out some of the side markers, and then we also tinted the front 2 windows.
Doing on this. Let's check this out. 2 windows, match the rears with Pinnacle. What are you guessing? 100 means no tint. I'm going with 29%. 27. See that? Best at it. So to match the rear, we're gonna have to go 30. So we'll go 30 Pinnacle, 2 windows, 2022 Tacoma. What do you think? We can get this done in, I'll tell you what, 27 minutes since it read 27. Put me on the clock. Learn how to close the tint box up. This guy's he's rewrapping his Christmas gifts. If you go take your lunch break, this will be done before you get back with rain guards on the windows. Then you buy me lunch. You're out here unwrapping, rewrapping your Christmas gifts, and I gotta take pictures of everything. We're gonna go big picture sideways. We got Banz in the background, so he took a lunch. This guy really went and took a lunch. He's out of control right now. You know why? Because I said 27 minutes, and now he's making me rush around this thing to get all the pictures. I can't believe you're gonna take this 27-minute job, get it down to probably a 14 to 16 second clip of me just talking my way all the way through it. I even got a picture of you in the background as the cameraman. Love it. Look, he's still standing there with his hands in his pockets. Gotta be cutting stuff out. Gotta be cutting stuff out if we're gonna do this in 27 minutes. Go right through here, get rid of this guy. We'll open up a fresh one. Riley was explaining he saw shrimp legs in a car yesterday. Is wild. Do shrimp have legs? guess the only thing that's not going to be clocked in here is Riley cleaning the windows, although he could have cleaned the other window while I was doing this and had everything done in 27 minutes. But without being told, like a 6-year-old, he's just going to stand around and watch. If these break, it's not on us. It's on camera, but it's not on us. What the? See? Cutting into my time. Cutting into my time. It's always the outside force cutting into my time. It's now 12:15, and all we got is BDR slow poking around cleaning windows.